197%. That's not hype. That's not clickbait. That's the exact increase researchers recorded in male performance when men added just one natural oil to their daily routine. Not a pill, not a supplement, not some risky blue prescription. Just oil. Something you might already have sitting in your kitchen right now. But here's the problem. Most men don't know about it, and even worse, the oils they are using, the ones in fried foods, packaged snacks, even so-called healthy vegetable oils, are quietly destroying their blood flow, strangling their testosterone, and accelerating the very decline they're trying to fight. If you're a man over 40, 50, or 60 and you've noticed changes down there, softer erections, fading stamina, less desire, it's not bad luck. It's not just aging, it's a warning sign. Doctors now warn that erectile dysfunction isn't only a bedroom problem. It's often the first red flag of vascular disease, showing up years before heart attacks or strokes. In other words, the bedroom is your body's early warning system. So if things aren't working like they used to, your body isn't betraying you. It's begging you to pay attention. Now here's the good news. Researchers have discovered that one everyday oil, extra virgin olive oil, can literally transform circulation, protect testosterone, and restore stronger, harder erections. Up to 197% stronger than before. How is that possible? It all comes down to one molecule, nitric oxide. Think of nitric oxide as the master switch for erections. When levels are high, blood vessels relax, open wide, and send strong blood flow exactly where you need it. But as men age, nitric oxide production falls. Arteries stiffen. Testosterone drops. It's like kinks in a garden hose. The pressure just isn't there anymore. Olive oil changes that. It's packed with polyphenols, plant compounds that supercharge nitric oxide, reduce inflammation, and keep blood vessels young and flexible. At the same time, it protects the very cells in your testes that produce testosterone, helping restore the masculine drive you thought you'd lost for good. And there's more. The antioxidants in olive oil shield your prostate, stabilize hormones, and improve metabolic health, the hidden factors that silently sabotage male performance. That's why in a major study from Greece, men who consumed olive oil regularly had dramatically healthier testosterone levels, stronger erections, and better vascular health than men who didn't. But here's the warning, not all oils are equal. The same men who swapped butter, margarine, canola oil, and soybean oil for olive oil thrived. The men who kept using those cheap, refined, processed seed oils suffered the opposite: clogged arteries, weaker blood flow, and fading sexual health. The truth is, the oil you cook with every day is either acting like medicine for your erections or poison. So, how do you use olive oil to your advantage? 1. Swap it for butter or margarine. Instead of slathering toast or veggies with butter, drizzle a teaspoon of olive oil. You get heart-healthy fats that keep blood vessels supple, without the artery-clogging damage of animal fats. 2. Use it as your dressing base. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with lemon juice or balsamic vinegar. That dressing not only tastes incredible, it boosts your body's absorption of antioxidants from vegetables, doubling the benefits for circulation and prostate health. 3. Take a spoonful before bed. In Mediterranean studies, men who consumed even 1 tablespoon nightly reported better morning performance, higher testosterone, and more stable energy. But remember, moderation is key. Olive oil is calorie-dense. The sweet spot is 2 to 3 tablespoons a day, enough to optimize blood flow without adding extra weight. Now let's zoom out. This isn't just about the bedroom. Erections are a mirror of your entire circulatory system. When you improve them, you're also strengthening your heart, your brain, and your arteries. That's why experts call ED an early warning signal, and why fixing it protects your long-term health. And here's where things get even more powerful. Olive oil doesn't just work alone. When you pair it with the right nutrients, the results multiply. Combine olive oil with omega-3 rich fish like salmon, and you slash inflammation while opening up blood vessels. Pair it with tomatoes, and the oil unlocks lycopene, a compound that shields the prostate and strengthens arteries. Add pumpkin seeds, rich in zinc, and you create a synergy that supports testosterone production and prostate health at the same time. Picture this: a grilled salmon salad drizzled with olive oil, topped with tomatoes and pumpkin seeds. That's not just dinner, it's an erection super plate. So let's recap. Men lose performance with age because of two things: falling testosterone and stiffening blood vessels. But science shows olive oil boosts nitric oxide, protects arteries, stabilizes hormones, and improves erections by nearly 200%. The catch? The wrong oils do the opposite, silently choking off circulation, destroying testosterone, and accelerating decline. Olive oil isn't a magic bullet. You still need good sleep, stress control, movement, and healthy habits. But think of olive oil as the spark plug, igniting stronger blood flow, sharper energy, and more confidence as the years go by. So the next time you reach for oil, remember, it's not just cooking, it's medicine, it's performance, it's protection. And if you want to feel 20 years younger, in the bedroom and beyond, the solution could be sitting in your kitchen right now, waiting in a dark glass bottle labeled extra virgin olive oil.